Welcome back, kimchi lovers, to another video from sunny California. More specifically, Torrance, where we stumbled upon a Hawaiian paradise serving delicious food.
Alright, so we're here at King's Hawaiian, like the Hawaiian bread buns. We're gonna have breakfast.
Yep. That's not something I ever hear in my lifetime.
Yeah, we didn't know that this place was in Torrance, so
yeah,
taking advantage of it.
We were driving down the street, and that's how we, oh look what's that?
Christmas Eve today.
Yeah.
In case, you guys are gonna see this way later, but...
yeah, we did want to spend some time just ourselves. And then when we get back to the hotel, we're gonna wrap some gifts and then pass them out. This place even has a bakery, but we'll show that right after breakfast. The restaurant bakery celebrates the King's Hawaiian brand, a tradition that began in 1950 when founder Robert Tyra opened his first bakery in Hilo, Hawaii, and its popularity has just grown since then.
They're warm.
I was not expecting that.
They are warm.
I'm gonna wait for my drink to arrive and then I'll...
I'm not. Okay. Like, so soft.
Amazing. Oh wow. Yeah, that's super pillowy. Put some butter in here. Here's the thing. I've had King's Hawaiian buns before. I've never had them warm. I always eat them straight out of the package. I don't know about you guys, but I don't have time to be warming this up. They're so delicious. This is the first time I've had them warm. And seems like it's going to be a treat.
It goes down easy.
I could survive on this. Like if anything were to happen and we needed a bunker and we had to bring food, I would just bring this.
Yeah.
That's all I would need.
Tell us what you got.
I got a Hawaiian shandy. And for those of you that don't know what that is, it's half beer, half lemonade. But what makes it wine was they put in some pineapple juice in it. That's nice and refreshing.
And I had to try the pineapple juice. It's just so good.
You know, that's something strange because we don't really order pineapple juice. It's always orange juice, right?
Yeah. So
yeah.
So what did you get?
I got the 2-egg breakfast, and you get a choice of 2 eggs, any style. I think it was like Spam, sausage, bacon, something else. I was like, you know what? I'm in a Hawaiian place, right? King's Hawaiian. Might as well get Spam. And then you can get a choice of steamed rice or fried rice. I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna try the fried rice because I've had steamed rice. I know what it tastes like. I'm actually gonna dig into the fried rice now. Oh yeah.
That's really good.
That's really good. It's very well seasoned, like it's not bland or anything. You don't gotta add anything to it. Oh, the sausage was really good.
I'll try the Spam with eggs.
That's good. Wow, your plate looks really good.
Yeah.
Looks magnificent.
I'm gonna brag. I made the best choice here. So I got the King's Hawaiian French toast, obviously, and eggs and bacon.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. See the reactions.
It's like spices or something.
Really?
Really good. I can eat the whole thing. That's bad.
So how is that like the King's Hawaiian bun in French toast form? Like,
I already had the sweetness, so
yeah.
Can't go wrong.
So it's like they don't gotta do much to it.
No, really. It's just add a little egg and fry it.
Yeah. They didn't like. They didn't taste too dry or anything like that. They were just right.
Nice and buttery.
Yeah.
Alright, let's eat.
Let's eat. Yeah.
That's the way to do it.
Mini breakfast sandwich.
It's good.
Yeah, you get a little sweet, a little salty, right?
I'm gonna make this at home. Really good.
That's very dessert-like.
Yeah.
I wouldn't even call it French toast. That's dessert. We thoroughly enjoyed our experience at King's Hawaiian, and we'll certainly come back when we visit Maria's sister. Now to the bakery, which has a ton of variety, not just their delicious sweetbread, although they certainly have a lot of those. But they have everything from mochi donuts to cakes to pies. We bought this pie and forgot to do a taste test on camera, but believe us, it was good. Another thing we wanted to try but didn't really get a chance to is their paradise cake. Apparently it's amazing and everybody gets it. So take note of that when you visit. It was fun to see everyone picking up their favorite dessert for Christmas, and you could even pick it up in a tent outside. Anyway friends, that's gonna be it for this video. We hope you're staying safe wherever you are, and as always, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.